What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to prevent your iOS device from crashing while using applications. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. So first of all, make sure that you're using the latest update of the application. The App Store will show you if there's an update available. Also, deleting the application and re-downloading it can help a lot, as this will clear the cached files, which can in turn be a cause of the problem. When this is done, I suggest you to restart your iOS device, especially if you haven't done this in a while. Also, closing background applications when using the app that causes the crash can prevent future crashes. In case none of these tweaks helped you out, I suggest making sure that you have enough storage left on your iPhone or iPad. In your Settings application, navigate to General, Storage. Here, offload unused applications. This can in some cases prevent crashes from other applications. Lastly, if nothing helped, go back to the General Settings and then Reset. Here, select to reset all settings, as you might have changed some settings which causes crashes. Also, keeping your device up to date can prevent future issues such as app crashes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.